In this video, I'll show you how to delete blank rows in Excel. There are several different approaches depending on what kind of blank rows you're dealing with, so I'll walk you through the main methods in order. The first method is Go To Special. This is the fastest automatic way to find and delete blank rows. Start by selecting your entire data range from the first cell to the last cell. Then on the Home tab, in the Editing group on the right side of the ribbon, click Find and Select. Click Special to open the Go To Special dialog box. Select the Blanks Radio button and click OK. Excel will highlight all the blank cells in your range. Now right-click one of the selected blank cells and choose Delete. A dialog box appears, select Entire Row and click OK. Your empty rows are now removed and your data shifts up. Just be aware that this method deletes any row with at least one blank cell, so if a row with important data has a single empty cell, the entire row will be deleted. If that's too aggressive, the next method is the Filter method, which only deletes completely blank rows. Select your data columns by dragging across the column headers. Let's say A to C. Go to the Data tab and click the Filter button. Filter drop-down arrows will appear next to each column header. Click the Filter arrow in column A, uncheck the Select All checkbox to clear everything, then check only the blanks option at the bottom, and click OK. Repeat this for columns B and C. Now only rows that are 100% empty are visible. Select those visible blank rows by dragging from the top one to the bottom. On the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow below the Delete button and select Delete Sheet Rows. Finally, go back to the Data tab and click Filter again to remove the filter. You've now deleted only the completely empty rows. The third method uses a Counta helper column. This is the most precise for large data sets. Add a new column at the end of your data. In the first row of that column, type the equals sign, then Counta, then an open parenthesis. Highlight the cells in that row you want to count, and close the parentheses. This formula returns 0 for completely empty rows. Copy the formula down to the last row of your data set. Select all your data, go to the Data tab, and click Filter. Click the Filter arrow in your Helper column, uncheck Select All, then check only the 0 option. This shows only the completely blank rows. Select those rows, right-click, and choose Delete Row. Clear the filter by clicking Clear on the Data tab, then delete the Helper column. The fourth method is sorting. It's simple but changes your data order. Select your entire data set, go to the Data tab, and click Sort. In the Sort dialog box, pick a column that usually has data in every row and click OK. The blank rows will group together at the bottom. Select those blank rows and delete them. The fifth method is manual selection. Best when you only have a few blank rows. Click the row number on the left side to select an entire blank row. To add more rows, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click additional row numbers. Once your rows are selected, right-click any row number and choose Delete. If you accidentally delete the wrong rows, press Ctrl plus Z on Windows or Command plus Z on Mac to undo.